Having fun, Rocky? Rocky's at the barber shop. Working away. Yes? You're having a good old bath today, aren't you, White Rock? Rocky Rockerfella. Oh, pretty bird you are. You're a pretty bird, aren't you? You love to be clean, don't you? Shake that tail. Is that good? You feel better now? All fresh and clean? Huh? You feel better now, Rock? Oh, you're getting right in there, are you? Oh. I got a big mess to clean up, don't I? Pretty bird you are. Pretty bird. This is who Rocky is. Oops, where's his card? Oh shoot, I can't see here. This is who Rocky is here. Pretty bird. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Huh? You feel better now? My, don't you ever. You're all full and you had your breakfast, and now you're showered. Now you want a blow dry, don't you? Now you want me to give you a blow dry, don't you? Pretty bird. Birdie, 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 bird. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You feel better now? Oh, don't go in the register, though. Let's keep that dry. You want to go up there? Where do you want to go up there in your cage here? It's nice and clean. I just cleaned it. Hi, baby. I just cleaned your cage for you. You want to go back for some more? I knew it. I knew you weren't done yet. I knew you weren't done yet. I knew you were going to go back for more. Look at you go. Look at you go, pretty bird. You're such a pretty bird. Wow, look at you go. Wow. Have you had fun now? Look at the water you're throwing everywhere. Keeping me at work here. Can you sing? Can you sing in there, Rocky? Sing a song. Hello, little Rocky baby. Sing a song with me. Come on, little Rocky baby. You can sing with me. Not gonna sing for me this morning? He's looking to see if there's cars coming to see him yet at work. At the Badger Barbershop, Langley, BC.